Okay, 2 hours ago. How do I get to BGC Taguig from Molino? So, if you're traveling ng umaga from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., ay may van sa may tawid ng All Home or Vista Mall Somo na papunta ng BGC. Diretso siya. Ang pamasahe is nasa 125 pesos. Another option is to ride the bus going to Ayala. So, yung bus naman is Metro Express from All Home, tapos baba ka ng Ayala, and then ride the BGC bus going to BGC. Ayan. So, third option from Molino is ride the jeep or the van going to Heritage, and then Heritage, sakay ka ng EDSA Carousel going to Ayala, and then from Ayala, sakay ka ng bus na papuntang BGC. And the last option, sakay ka papuntang Alabang, and then from Alabang, Star Mall, may HM bus doon na papunta ng BGC. So, those are your 4 options. Price range ng pamasahis from 100 pesos kasi yung van from Molino going to BGC is nasa 125. Yung van na papuntang MRT Taft is 100 plus yung MRT na 13 pesos, 15 pesos papuntang Ayala, and then 15 pesos ulit na papuntang BGC.